Hey gang, Vince here, Vince's Wood and Wonders. Thanks so very much for stopping into the shop. We've got a nice warm 69, 70 degrees outside, so it's finally warming up. Feels good outside, but it feels even better in the shop. Hey, I've got a question for you. Are you thinking about going to the AAW Woodturning Symposium? It's June 4th through the 7th this year. It's in Raleigh, North Carolina. If you're thinking about going, if you know somebody who's thinking about going and you have not registered yet, let me give you a promo code. It'll save you $20 at the time of registration on the AAW website. That promo code is VENPROMO92026. Now, what do you mean? You'll never remember that. Don't worry, I would never remember it either. So I'm going to put it in the description down below. I'll probably put it just below here on the screen, but it's also on the splash page on the website when you get there, on my website. So you can copy it from either place. Anyway, it helps out the channel here. It saves you $20. It's a win-win. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so very much for stopping in. We'll talk to you soon.